guys, and welcome back to my Lisa Marie Harris YouTube channel. And when you're new here, welcome. Today I want to show you how to make a really cool Viking inspired hairstyle. And I would say let's just start the party and playing with hair. So I got my hair models. God, Foster Harris, my love. Mwah. We're just so Viking inspired because we watched so much Vikings. And I just thought he would be perfect and say let's do it. First of all, I make two sections on the hair. I usually always go with the nose, that's the middle, and then just make half and then just separate in two sections here.
But what if you broke your nose and it's not in the middle anymore?
That's a good question I never thought of. Well, then you kind of play it by, I don't know, side, eye, whatever. And to kind of not mess with hair and having a whole mess everywhere, I just separate it with some quick clips to finish it on the side.
They look like puppy dog ears.
Looks cute. Okay, I start first braiding the middle section and make it a little French braid. So that means I just take the middle, thank you. I just take a few hairs in the middle and I just separate them into 3 strands and start braiding. And the thing is, you can brush your hair or not. It actually is, for this style, I want to do kind of cool and it's a little messy and a little not super perfect. And then just always, every time you start braiding, you go and take a little strand from the outside and bring it to the inside, like how big your finger is. And then you just take a hair tie away, and then we start with the side braids. Take the comb and separate apart. And we also separate this in 3 different layers. I just take the side of the comb. So I start with the lowest part and we start twisting that, and we always take every time a little more strain into it to kind of get it super even and twisted. So I just take a few little hairs and we start twisting. Just make 2 little separates and start twisting, and then you always go with the upper side and take a little string and just twist it together. And then again, every time you twist, you take 1 more string every time. And then again. And I just take a flaxy hair tie and close it. Then we take our second layer and we want to braid the second layer. This is a little more tricky, but I show you it's very easy to figure that out. It's like a little tiny French braid. Just take a little section of the hair and always try to point in the direction you're gonna braid, that you really have an even look on the hairstyle. And you make 3 different tiny layers. And then I always take a tiny little strain, and I always take the strain, like 1 hair strain from the upper part, and braid it together. Oh, our dog also just joined the video right now. He right now will eat his bone on the couch, so heads up when you hear some chewy noises.
It's not me.
It's our Hundi. And then I'll just get a flexi and just close it. After that, we take the 3rd layer and we also twist it this time. We'll take a little hair section Start with the tiny one first and separate it again in 2 pieces, and always start upper. Go with the left one to the top and start twisting. And then you always take a tiny little string and just bring it into the twist. And then here again. And here again. Just always a little twist so you get the whole hair super straight back. And always point to the direction you want the hair to be. And then you just twist and shove and straight and shove. Excellent. Just close your hair. This is how it looks like right now. And then I take all those 3 pieces and braid them together. Take another flexi and just close it. And to keep up with the little wild look, you just, stick out a little bit and loosen it up a little bit to make it more puffy. Like puffy hair. This. So, when this side here is done, we go to the opposite side and do kind of the same, but let's do it. Except I just do 2 layers because I just like when 2 sides are a little different. It just looks cool. And take away all the clips. Again, take a comb and just separate. It's always better when Scott brushes his hair because I probably hurt him. I'm so brutal with that. I have no mercy. And make 2 layers with that. So I separate it with a tiny hair strain and get 3 little strains to start my little tiny French braid. And I start with the right side to get the first strain taken care of, and just bring it in and always pull it in the direction you braid that you really get an even look. So, and then when you have the first tiny braid, you always take the left side and bring in a little strain from your hair. Do it like this. Boom, that looks beautiful. Okay, and then we just have our last layer here on the side. And we just twist that one. I always like to have it kind of different. So, straight, cool. So, and now we take care of the rest of the hair. You can really braid this super messy because it really looks cool when it's just messed up and wild. I'll just take a thicker hair tie. We take all this part, just to make sure that the lower part looks even. So now I take my 2 hair parts here, the braided one and the loose one, and I just start twisting them. It doesn't matter which direction, I just start twisting them together. And you don't have to twist it until the end, you just kind of loosen it up and then you just wrap it around and you just keep one side super wild because it just looks good. Like this, and then just put the hair tie over. Yeah. Looks good. I love to say wild look. Okay, and for the very nice, cool Viking finish, I got some cute hair pearls. I want to put at the end because it just really gives the style the perfect vibe. This is how it looks like. Sweet. All right. Alright, thank you so much for watching my Viking hair tutorial. Big thanks to my love Scott Foster Harris, who was my hair model today and that he survived my hair attack. Yeah, anyway, I hope you have a good week and we wish you all the best. We're sending lots of love, be safe and take care. Bye bye.